Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you joined me today. I have some new stamps to share with you. I just got back from a wonderful weekend in Manitowish or Manitowash waters in Wisconsin. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it is so beautiful up there. The leaves on the trees were all different colors. It was just so gorgeous. It was beautiful Friday when we got there, and then Saturday, which we were hoping to like rent a pontoon and go fishing, it was raining the whole day, so we were kind of bummed about that. And then Sunday, it was beautiful, and we were leaving that day, but we did stick around. We went to Minocqua, which is not too far away, and visited the little town there, and just really cute town, and just had a great time. Definitely going back next fall. I want to go back in the spring or summer to see how it is in those seasons as well, because it was just so pretty, so pretty. So the free with 60 is going to be the My Favorite Things ink pad. So you can go into my inventory and pick a color, leave it in your order comments box if your order qualifies. You'll know your order qualifies when the free gift listing pops into your cart. If you're using a different code besides Jamie, the listing won't pop into your cart, but just put your preference in the order comments box. So we have a premium ink and hybrid ink to choose from. These were on back order and they just came in. So if you did place some Doodlebug orders and you want to get these, you can include those into your new order. These three cuties, this little snowman, snow buddies. This one will pop into your cart if you spend $25 in Doodlebug products. So you get that one for free. And we've got the Santa and the Mrs. Claus. So we've got penny black stamps. This is Bobble Balance. So these are really, really super cute. So he's standing this way and he's holding up these giant ornaments that are like pushing him back. Have yourself a jolly holiday. And yourself is like your elf. Really cute. And then we've got pine cone perch, which is really pretty. This pine cone branch with a little bird on the pine cone, and then there's a little bell dangling, and a sentiment, sending joy. We've got beaming, so we've got the little elf wrapped up in the lights, and the sentiment, I'm dreaming of a bright Christmas. We've got the Hero Arts a background stamp in this birch tree. And then you can see there's like little snow falling in the background there. We've got Frosty Flakes. So you get this nice large image here. This snowman looking up at the bird. We've got a sentiment, let it snow, and then these pretty snowflakes. We've got this rubber stamp here, so it stamps out like this. Do some nice ink techniques with this. It's rubbers. You can put the different ink colors in the ombre to get different variation there. Then we've got this one, which is really pretty. See a little picture there. This pretty wreath. Let's see what it's called. Homespun. Nice big size. We've got acorns and animals. We get a cute fox and a squirrel and a little owl. Some acorns. Branches. Forest Delight, which will go lovely with that stamp set. It's drawn in the same style. So you get the trees, some mushrooms, and then we've got this really pretty one. You can see a little photo there. So you could have this snow on the ground here and on the fence, and then your really pretty tree there. And this one is called Snow Blanket. These are really pretty. If you've ever been to the Penny Black YouTube channel, they have some excellent videos. And I love the technique that they use where they take the your inks and they put it onto the stamp, and then they put a different color ink and then a different color ink, and you just build up the color, and it just makes a really beautiful scene. And this one I thought was really pretty. This would make just a beautiful Christmas card. Warm Reception, it's called. Home for the Holidays is the sentiment I picture with this. And then we've got a stamp and die combo by Hero Arts. You get the fireplace, the Christmas tree, the little cat laying by the fireplace or the tree, some presents, a wreath. There's a little mouse in a stocking, another little mouse, and some nice sentiments. Sending warm wishes. We wish you a Merry Christmas from our home to yours. You fill my heart with warmth. Sending peace. And then the die is in the back here. And this one is called From the Vault Home Scene Combo. This is a cute little stamp. I thought this would be really cute to make Christmas tags. It's called Xmas Costume. So little critters are in their Christmas costumes. And you get the sentiment, Merry Christmas. And then this is a really beautiful branch that you could decorate with some ornaments. And they look like country style ornaments. Really, really pretty. And this one is called Emerald Boughs. This one is restocked by Lawn Fawn, Fortune Teller. And then I got some stamps from Colorado Craft Company. And this is from the Lovely Legs collection. Let's see if the names are on the back. So this one's the ice skating. And then they come with these nice sentiments. Just figuring. Merry Christmas. It's beginning to look a lot like cocktails. This will be your best Christmas ever. This will be your best holiday ever. We've got First Communion. I picked this one up because there's not that many communion stamps out there. And I know this is great to have in your stash when you need this. So I thought this was a good one. First Holy Communion. May you always know the peace of Jesus, the light of his love, and the joy of his life within you. Blessings on your First Communion. Congratulations on your First Holy Communion. God bless you on your special day. Hugging Elves. So you get the bottoms here of the little elves. So I love their shoes. And then we've got Sending You, Holiday Hugs, Celebrate Your Inner Elf, Hug, question mark, does somebody need a hug? And then there's some snow. And to create some cards for the military, we've got Military Strong, Home of the Free because of the Brave, Military Strong, Not All Heroes Wear Caps, One Flag, One Land, One Heart, One Hand, One Nation, Evermore. Love and miss you. Thank you for your sacrifice and service to our nation, and I salute you. A Happy Thanksgiving one I thought was nice. There's not a lot of Happy Thanksgiving stamp sets either, so I thought I'd grab this one. We've got So Very Thankful for You. Happy Thanksgiving. May Thanksgiving bounty fill your heart and home. Happy harvest, and to you and yours. A Happy New Year's one. We've got Happy New Year. May your year be filled with love, laughter, and hope. 2019. Cheers to the new beginning. And then we've got 21. So you could do 2020 by stamping 20 twice. You could do 2019. And then you could do 2021. Wishing you love and happiness in the new year. And cheers to a new beginning. And this one here is Build a Snowman. Really cute sentiments. It's snow cold without you. I'm snow in love with you. Each snowflake that falls reminds me of you. One of a kind. Wanna build a snowman. Let it snow. Fun day. And then there's some snow that you can also stamp around your card. And then I got this one, Reflection Tree, which is their big stamp set. This is a really pretty scene with the girls sitting on the tree swing there, and you get all kinds of sentiments in here. Miss you, friend. I get you, girlfriend. But just remember, I'm your best friend. There's nothing wrong with having a tree as your friend. That's by Bob Ross. Hoping you're back to doing the things you enjoy real soon. So that'd be good for like a get well card. So that is what I have today. I'm also going to do a video on the new Penguin Palace release. Super cute stamps. So I'm looking forward to showing you those. And I will catch you guys in that video. Take care, guys.